Hello friends, welcome to my channel SVK Arts. Today I am gonna paint this landscape image. I took this image from internet, but you can capture the image and turn that into a beautiful painting. So let's start the work. First we need a sharp pencil. Sharpen your pencil by cutter instead of sharpener, so your pencil lead will not break easily. Now start the drawing. Here we are making all the drawing object step by step. First draw the road, then house, then all trees. Make it lightly. If something gets wrong, so we can easily erase and make it again. I am using Camlin Artist watercolor cakes and round and flat brushes. First I am starting the coloring with background sky. After that I came to the land area. Here you can see this is the morning picture. So I use yellow color for the grass and the coconut tree leaves. I use brown color for the roof, but here I am adding more water in the brown color, so we will get a light brown shade. After finishing the yellow color, let's put green color for the trees and grass. Then apply dark green color for the darker areas, means shadow areas. I am applying the yellow ochre color for the soil and the coconut trees. After that, I am applying the second layer on it with brown color. If you observe the picture carefully, then you can see the sun rays come from the left side. So the shadow will be falling on the right side. That's why I am making the darker part always in the right side. While coloring the house, here also same process. The right side of the house is more darker. Remember one thing, use 300 GSM drawing paper while coloring with watercolor. The benefit of this paper is it's not getting too much wet. We can apply the water as per our choice, and the color will be mixed in each other very easily. You need to keep some patience while drawing or painting anything, because the best thing is always takes a time. Use small brush to make the leaf detailing. Now I am adding the dark brown color for the right side of the tree trunk. After that, we are doing the roof detailing with dark and light brown shade and adding some lines. Finally, check your drawing again. If you feel some part need to make it darker, then do it. So finally our painting has been finished. Now it's your turn. Watch this tutorial very carefully and do it by yourself. For more exciting art videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.